Hello everyone, welcome to this playlist where we are simplifying programming for you. Today we're diving into complex data types in Python: list, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. If you're a beginner or brushing up on Python, you're in the right place. These data types are super powerful and widely used in Python to handle collections of data. Plus, I'll show you some hands-on examples that you can run alongside me. So grab your Python environment, whether it's Google Colab or Jupyter Notebook, and let's get started. First of all, we'll start with lists. A list is an ordered, changeable collection that can hold multiple data types. Lists are defined using square brackets. To access an element of list, we use indexing. Remember, Python starts counting from 0. Also, there is a provision of negative indexing in Python. List also supports several operations like adding, removing, and sorting elements. To add elements to a list, we use the append function. To remove element from the list, we use remove function. And to sort the elements, we use sort function. Next, we have tuples. A tuple is very similar to a list, but it's immutable, which means once created, you cannot change its element. Tuples are defined using small parentheses. We can also index the tuples like we used indexing in list. Now let's try changing an element in a tuple. We'll see what happens. As you can see, tuples are read-only data types and they do not support item assignment. Moving on to sets. Sets are unordered collection that do not allow duplicate values. They're defined using curly braces. We can add and remove elements in our set using add and remove function. Finally, we have dictionary. A dictionary is a collection of key value pairs. Each key is unique and maps to a specific value. Dictionaries are defined using curly braces with key and value separated by a colon. Here we create a student dictionary with keys name, age, and major. And if we want to access any value inside our dictionary, we use the key. We can also modify the values in our dictionary using the key. Now it's your turn. Here's a fun challenge for you. Create a dictionary to store details about your favorite movie. Add the following keys: title, which contains the name of the movie; year, the release year of the movie; rating, your personal rating for the movie out of 10. Print out the dictionary and access each value individually using its key. Pause the video, try it yourself, and then come back to see the solution. Here we can see the solution. I have created a favorite movie dictionary with title, year, and rating, and then I printed them each using their respective keys. And that's for it today's video. We covered list, tuples, sets, and dictionaries with examples and operations. Let me know in the comments which data type you found the most interesting. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future Python tutorials. See you in the next one. Keep coding and stay curious.